semput Menteri Rangba Kejala ba Presiden Song habai dai bergejingjia kebasa penyiap I hybrid insa pira lengdo maunai Nongrah nonglum brai ula kentui ki puar pulit bakin tohkit penia nakai kadau bau khynnah uba suba penyiap simla pentip niatu kloi syaki bahayeng hakapor bajia kadai kejingjia habakren sikalat patai kebor ula ong bagi kenhun pulit kidang yai tohkit halor kadai kejingjia la kadon ke eiei syalendet banagaliang chongu ula betha ke pulit bagi nang penlong ya kejing tohkit kababania habai dai bat kani.
The police team, we have already given the statement. So see what happened was because that boy, he was also only 12, 13 years old. That boy, he already confessed everything. I think we came out with his statement. So that statement, continue. But of course, I've already instructed the SIT also to go further deeper. Why it happened? Why that unfortunate incident happened that way? And number two, why that boy did not inform immediately about this incident? Why he kept quiet? Why he pretended as if he don't know anything? So the team is still on to really get into a deeper facts where if I personally feel if they have any kind of hiding somewhere here, accept that report or the statement made by our police personnel, police officers. But let me tell you one thing: they are the one who does the investigation. So, and the investigation is still inconclusive. That's what I'm saying. Let us wait. Let us see what is more behind the scene. We are yet to know. We are yet to confirm that. So I'm very sure we will be able to get all the factuality in due course of time.
So